Also known as Waterfalls during the colonial days, Kintampo Waterfalls has a more festive environment with lots of locals on picnics and shade where visiting individuals and groups can visit and have fun. It was established as a tourism site in 1992 after its discovery in the 18th century. This is the main entrance to the falls. If you get here, on your right, where the window is, you will meet an attendant where you can buy your ticket, and then you proceed into the place. That's the reception that you saw at the gate over there. When you enter this place, because you can see such an amazing view and environment. The waterfalls has gone through several developments, including creation of a car park, receptive center, trained guides, and construction of stairs. This is one of the best places that you can visit in Ghana. Please do well to pay a visit to this site and you will love it. It's an amazing tourist site in Ghana with good prospects, and it's my hope that as a country we will just put this on our radar to just generate more or much funds from this tourist sector. This Kintampo Waterfalls, one of the oldest tourist sites in our country, Ghana. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, I will entreat you to click on the red subscribe button. Wait for some few minutes. You see a notification bell. Click on the bell and select all, so that whenever we post our videos, you'll be able to watch them. And also, please do well to like, comment, share for others to watch our videos. Thank you for being part of the Sunset family. We hope that you love this video, and we hope that we can bring you more and amazing content from our country, Ghana and Africa. It is our aim to put or project Africa to the world in a good way. Please, if you have any project that you're doing in Ghana that you need someone to take an area photo of it or area video of it for you, you can contact us, SunsetDroneGh, on all our social media handles, on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and all other social media handles. Or you can call us on 024-8472-474, and we will come and do an amazing work for you. If you have funeral that you need a drone to come and take area videos for you and photos, you can also contact us. We do funerals, weddings, and all other activities or programs that photos needs to be taken. We can capture your project nicely for you. The attraction has seen several facelifts since its inception. A canopy walkway has been added across the river overlooking the waterfall. Located on the Pumpum or the Pumpum River, a tributary of the Black Volta, Kintampo Waterfalls is one of the highest waterfalls in Ghana, about 4 kilometers north of the Kintampo municipality, on the Kumasi, Tamale road. Please, if you have not subscribed to our channel, I will entreat you to click on the red subscribe button to become part of this amazing Sunset family. This is SunsetDroneGh. We have promised you that wherever we step forth in this country, we are going to show you amazing and beautiful scenes from that town. There's the Ghana-Kintampo Waterfalls that we are showing on your screens right now. If you have not visited this place before, this is a tourist site in the Bono East region of Ghana, to be specific, Ghana-Kintampo Township. The waterfalls, one of the main natural attractions in Ghana, is formed by 3 main drops, where the longest drop measures 82 feet in height. And after a number of steps and cascades, the river falls about 230 feet. It takes its sources at a village called Pumpumatifi, where it's about 10 kilometers away from the waterfalls. The water increases in volume when more people visit it and runs all year. Ghana-Kintampo Waterfalls is a beautiful cascading waterfalls in Ghana. There are lots of trees, as you can see from the drone shots, mostly dominated by mahogany, some of which grow beyond 40 meters. Ghana-Kintampo Falls is also a fine resting place when traveling between Kumasi and Tamale or Mole National Park. Please sit back, watch and enjoy this amazing video that we are bringing you from the Ghana-Kintampo Waterfalls in the Bono East region of Ghana. There is the Ghana-Kintampo North municipality. And please do well to watch all our videos and subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share our videos too for others to watch this amazing work that we are doing. Please, thank you.